Hey there, gorgeous entrepreneurs. Want to know a secret to boosting your sales without breaking a sweat? Canva templates are where it's at. They're like magic wands for your business, making you look like a design pro in a flash. Imagine this, you're a busy coach juggling clients, creating content, and building your empire. Who has time to design every single social media post, workbook, or lead magnet from scratch? Not you, right? That's where Canva templates swoop in to save the day. These pre-designed beauties are ready to rock, allowing you to customize with your brand colors, fonts, and messaging. And the best part, you can sell these jazzed up templates and create a passive income stream. Cha-ching! Okay, so what's all the fuss about Canva templates? Picture this. They're like those amazing pre-made cookie dough packs. You get all the good stuff ready to go, just pop them in the oven, or in this case, Canva, and voila. Deliciousness, or in this case, stunning visuals are served. Canva templates are super popular because they're crazy easy to use. Even if you're tech challenged, no judgment, Canva's drag and drop interface makes designing a breeze. Plus, there are templates for everything: social media posts, ebooks, workbooks, presentations, you name it. But here's the real kicker. Small businesses go gaga over these templates. Why? Because they save time, money, and make you look like $1 million without hiring a fancy designer. Now, are you ready to unlock the power of Canva templates and watch the cash roll in? Introducing Canva Cashflow. This treasure chest is jam-packed with everything you need to create and sell your own killer templates in 3 hot niches: coaching, real estate, and Airbnb. Think of it as your very own business in a box. You get over 50 professionally designed templates, a step-by-step guide to selling them like hotcakes, and even done-for-you listing templates and social media mock-ups. Canva Cashflow takes all the guesswork out of creating and selling templates. They even show you where to sell them. Think Etsy, Creative Market, your own website, and more. It's like having a business mentor on speed dial, guiding you every step of the way. Now let's talk numbers, baby. The market for Canva templates is booming like crazy. Why? Because everyone and their dog is on social media, creating content and needing eye-catching visuals. Think about it. Real estate agents need stunning property listings, coaches need sleek workbooks, and Airbnb hosts need inviting guides. And guess what? They're willing to pay for templates that make their lives easier and their businesses pop. With Canva's popularity exploding, over 175 million users and counting, the demand for top-notch templates is through the roof. This is your chance to ride that wave and create a profitable business doing something you love. So there you have it, my loves. Canva Cashflow gives you the tools, resources, and confidence to rock the Canva template world. Are you ready to turn your design skills into a stream of passive income? I knew you were.